Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn that how you can delete the video search history on your Amazon Prime account. So without wasting any time, let's start the video and make sure to watch the video till the end. First of all, open your Prime Video application either on your mobile. I'm using an iPad, so I will open it here. The next thing you need to do is to tap on your profile icon. Make sure that you're signed into your account. So next step, you need to tap on the gear icon of setting. From here, you need to scroll down and here you will find the option clear video search history. You need to tap on that one and the message will pop up that clear search history. If you are willing to remove all the search history, you need to just tap on yes. If not, then tap on no. So I will press yes. And as you can see the message pop up, video search history has been cleared. So this is how you can delete all the search history on Amazon Prime application. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.